First time in JB and unsure what to do? Follow me and let me guide you. If you are going from town area, the easiest way is to take CW2 from the Queen Street Terminal. Queen Street Terminal is near Jalan Besar MRT downtown line. The bus ride takes about 30 minutes and gets you directly to Woodlands checkpoint. And the fare is 480 Sing dollar. Alternatively, you can take the North-South line to Kranji MRT and change to CW1 to bring you to Woodlands Custom. Once you alight Woodlands Customs, just follow the crowd and go up the escalator to clear the Singapore Customs. After clearing the customs, come down the escalator and walk straight and you will see the CW bus. You can take any of the CW bus. Same thing, once you alight at JB Customs, just take the escalator up and clear the JB Customs. After clearing the JB Customs, just walk straight and make a U-turn after the mini provision shop. Good job, you're officially in JB now. Easy, right? Once we reach JB Central, we take the escalator down and on the right side is the Grab pickup point. We'll then take a Grab to KSL, which is the easiest way. KSL is just a short 5 to 10 minutes Grab ride away. I bet you must be hungry now, so let's find a nice place for breakfast. We can consider Sun Sun Heng Bak Kut Teh, Ping Min Chen Dim Sum or E4 Wanton Noodle. They are all within a short walking distance of KSL. Sun Sun Heng Bak Kut Teh is legendary and is one of the must visit every time I come to KSL. Order the bak kut teh, add whatever you want, and don't forget to order the mayuji as well. You will not regret it. Ping Min Chen is a popular dim sum place near KSL. Do try if you are in the mood for dim sum. But if the queue is too long, you can also consider E4 Wanton Noodle. They have been selling wanton noodle for the past 50 years. And you can bet they know how to make a good wanton noodle. The noodle is very springy and the wanton is packed filled with fillings. After a hearty breakfast, let's head to KSL to do some shopping and services. KSL is more focused as a service mall. There's a lot of places for you to cut hair, to do your nails and to do massage, and there's a lot of food here. You can do some light shopping here. So just walk around and take your pick to see what catches your eye. Although there's some shopping in KSL, I highly recommend to just focus on getting your services done because you'll be heading to a much larger mall for lunch and shopping. So once you're done with the services, let's take a Grab to South Key Mid Valley for lunch and more shopping. For lunch, let's head to Nam Hyong or Madam Kwan's for some authentic Malaysian food. Do order the egg Thai and coffee at Nam Hyong, and their wanton mee is very good as well. Madam Kwan's Nasi Lemak has won numerous awards and is definitely worth ordering when you're visiting. Also for Uncle Roger's fan, you'll be happy to know that there's an Uncle Roger's Fried Rice branch at Mid Valley. So do check it out if you don't want to go to KL to try it. So after lunch, it's time to do some shopping at Mid Valley. Mid Valley is a mega mall and you can find everything that you need here. There's a mega big Mr. DIY here. And just near it, you can find a popular bookstore to top on any stationeries or books that you need. For art lovers, you definitely want to check out the Art Friend stores. You can get all of your art materials here. Fancy some small and cute trinkets and toys? Do check out KKV. For home and living stuff, do check out Nitori. It's a bit like a mini IKEA and you can find a lot of home related things inside. And of course, you can find numerous clothing stores here like Uniqlo. And also my favorite Pardini. So for our afternoon tea, let's have a nice coffee at Antipodium. They have actually won the Best Roaster Award. Or we can head to Tom and Danny's for coffee. For parents with young kids, you'll be happy to know that there's a big baby shop here. And there's also a lot of indoor playgrounds to keep your kids occupied while you shop. If you did not have the time to get your services done at KSL, you'll be happy to know that there's also services at Mid Valley. And there's also a lot of salons here, though the price will be a bit more expensive compared to KSL. There's also an IMAX movie theatre here and you can catch a movie if you're bored. For dinner, I recommend eating this Chi Gui hot pot. I feel that it's better than Hai Di Lao. The buttery mala soup and the mushroom soup is delicious. The ingredients very fresh. And they even give you 50 condiments to mix and match however you want. After the dinner hot pot, do continue shopping because I bet you have not covered the entire Mid Valley Mall. There's a large Sogo department store. And just before you wrap up the day and go home, do buy some bread and pastries from the popular bread shop. Hope you have enjoyed this day trip with me. Do check out this video for the 18 best food to eat around KSL area.